Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Dhondiba Ishwanath, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Government Postgrad College, KR from Bangalore. Today I am going to discuss about tautomerism and enolates in which module number 2 for 4th semester BSc, Bangalore North University. Now module 2 consists of active methylene compounds, definition and examples, acidity of alpha hydrogen atom in diethyl melanate, acidity of alpha hydrogen atom in ethyl acetoacetate, and acidity of alpha hydrogen in acetyl acetone. These points you have to discuss one by one in module 1. Now, what is meant by active methylene compounds? The class of compounds which contain methylene group directly bonded to two electron withdrawing groups such as COCH3 group or COOE2 or C2H5 group or cyanide groups, etc. are called active methylene compounds. This is so because the methylene group in this compound is more acidic and more reactive. Example for this, we have to take that is a active methylene diethyl melanate. This is the diethyl, that is a melanate, diethyl melanate, in which the methyl group is present in between the two groups. These are the two strong groups are there, and flank between the two strong electron withdrawing group, in which the methyl group, methylene group is flanked. Therefore, this indicates as a more acidic in nature. Another example, ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate. This is the ethyl acetate, and this is the methyl acetate, in which the methylene group is present. These are all strong electron withdrawing group. Therefore, it having a more acidic in nature there, and it is easy to undergo a reaction. Therefore, it is an active methylene group. Third one is acetyl acetone. Acetyl acetone. Here, this is the acetyl group and this is the acetone. We say that this is the acetyl acetone group, in which the methylene group will be present. Therefore, these are the few examples for that is active methylene compounds. Now coming to that is the acidity of alpha hydrogen in active methylene compounds. Now the acidity of alpha hydrogen atom in active methylene compounds can be explained by using, there is a three examples are quoted here. First one is acidity of alpha hydrogen in diethyl melanate. We have to explain that is acidity of alpha hydrogen atom in diethyl melanate. Alpha hydrogen atom of methylene group in diethyl melanate is acidic in nature due to the following reasons. First one is formation of sodium salt of diethyl melanate. When acid react with base to form salt and water, that indicate as the acid. This indicate as a acid base reaction. Therefore, we say that is anything which can react with base if it is form salt and water. Therefore, anything we are assuming no, that will be became a acidic in nature. Therefore, the methylene group being sufficient acidic, diethyl melanate react with strong base like sodium ethoxide to form salt of diethyl melanate. Then here, due to the formation of sodium salt of diethyl melanate, therefore it is acidic in nature. How it is takes place? Sodium ethoxide, which abstract that is a alpha hydrogen atom from this and to form that is sodium salt with the liberation of ethanol. This is the one example for that is one point. It indicates that is the alpha hydrogen atom in the acidity of alpha hydrogen atom in diethyl melanate. Second point we have to say that is a formation of stable diethyl melanate anion. Stable diethyl melanate anion. When diethyl melanate undergo self-dissociation with the liberation of proton and formation of stable anion due to delocalization of negative charge into the carbonyl, two carbonyl groups. When this is because it is acidic, anything which liberates that is a proton means it is acidic in nature. Therefore, when this is undergo self dissociation, it form H plus, and this is the anionic compound. This anionic compound undergo stabilization. If it is stabilized, therefore it is a more acidic. Otherwise, if it is not stabilized, then it is a less acidic in nature. Therefore, we say that is a this negative ion undergo a resonating structure. This is produced due to having a oxygen atom is a more electronegative. This drag the electron towards itself, and to make the tetravalency, this electrons participate in the bond formation. It became a double bond and it became a negative charge. Again, further no, this will be shifted towards this, and this oxygen atom attract the electron, and this pi bond will be shifted here. Another, that is a resonating structure, will be takes place here. Therefore, due to having a two structures here, therefore a double bond character will be there. Therefore, electron density which will be flow from this oxygen atom to this oxygen via that is a proton methylene compound, methylene carbon. Hence, it is a more acidic in nature. Therefore, these are about that is a we have by using two points we say that is a diethyl malonate is a acidic in nature. Now, second example, we have to explain according to your syllabus acidity of alpha hydrogen in ethyl acetoacetate. Alpha hydrogen of methylene group in ethyl acetoacetate is acidic in nature due to the following reaction. First one is similar to above, formation of sodium salt of ethyl acetoacetate. Now here simple, when this compound undergo a react with strong base, this is ethyl acetoacetate, approaches or react with sodium ethoxide to form a salt by liberation of one of the alpha hydrogen atom from the methylene carbon atom, and hence it form that is a ethanol will be formed, and it is a sodium salt will be formed, and hence we say that is a the ethyl acetoacetate is a acidic in nature, and the alpha hydrogen atom of methylene compound is more acidic in nature. Second one is formation of stable ethyl acetoacetate anion. Now here simple, undergo self dissociation, it form H plus, indicate as it is acidic in nature, and this undergo stabilization. How it is takes place stabilization? Now here oxygen atom is a more electronegative. It take the electron towards itself. Due to making the tetravalency of this carbon atom, these electrons are participate in the bond formation, and it became a double bond, and here a anion charge. Again, this undergo this oxygen atom, it having a more electronegative. This abstract the electron towards itself, and making this is the making to this bond. It is a tetravalency. This bond will be shifted here, and making this also tetravalency. That is it becomes a double bond, and therefore we making that is a another form. Therefore, the electron density will be a flow from the carbon, that is this oxygen, then this carbon oxygen, and this carbon atom, and this oxygen. They from the two strong electron withdrawing group and methylene group, the electron density will be a flowing, and hence it is called as a more acidic in nature. And third example, we have to say that is the acidity of alpha hydrogen in acetyl acetone. Now here we say that is a the alpha hydrogen atom of methylene group in acetyl acetone is acidic in nature due to the following reason. Similar to above, formation of sodium salt of acetyl acetone, in which now here acetyl acetone, this is the acetone actually, this is the acetone, and this is called as a acetyl group. Therefore, acetyl acetone. This is acetyl acetone approaches with the strong base, that is sodium ethoxide. which abstract the electron. This is act as a acid and it act as a base. It is a base, therefore the abstraction of proton is takes place and it form that is a ethanol, and it is a form a sodium salt of acetyl acetone. This indicate that this alpha hydrogen atom in acidic acetyl acetone is acidic in nature. The reaction will be always takes place at methylene carbon atom. Second one is formation of stable acetyl acetone anion. Acetyl acetone undergo a self dissociation with liberation of proton and formation of stable anion due to the stabilization of negative charge to the following between the two carbonyl groups. Therefore, acetyl acetone undergo a self dissociation to form H plus ion, and acetyl acetone anion will be a form. Now here this anion, if it is undergo a stabilization, then we say it is more acidic, otherwise it is less acidic. Therefore here this is the negative charge will be there. This oxygen atom is a more electronegative. This abstract the electron towards itself became to make that is a tetravalency. These electrons are participate in the bond formation. Then again this oxygen is a more electronegative atom. It drag the electrons towards itself. Due to make the tetravalency, this bond is shifted here, and this these electrons, these charged electrons are participate in the bond formation. Therefore, the electron density will be flowing from this oxygen atom to other one end to other end via the methylene group. Hence, the methylene group is more acidic in nature, and methylene that is alpha hydrogen atom is more acidic in nature. And this completes that is a module number 2.